to the track, bitch.
They get high, but I ain't smoking with the rest though. Cause if it's in my drink, believe that it's the best smoke. I'm talking OG Kush from the West Coast. Watch how you hit it, just one hit'll burn your chest though.
Cut those cameras on, cause my camel's on and my niggas backing me. Ride around town with a big old bag of weed. Taylor gang, we ain't in your faculty. Me and Snoop Dogg done created a masterpiece. Smoke all day and I'm making this cash and we bout it like Master P. Go hard, stack your cheese, roll a joint, pass the trees. TGOD, he's the OG, real G shit what it has to be. My real niggas gon' pop tags for me, fake niggas gon' get bags for me. Say you just wanna shake hands with me, same fuck nigga used to laugh at me. Now I'm riding around town in a car that you can't even pronounce and you can't go fast as me. Smoking marijuana and she know that I'm a player, so she wanna come up here and spend his cash with me. That pimp shit come naturally, that fuck shit is whack to me. My kush grown organically, my ballin' is actually
Smoking with the rest,
nigga.
Cause if it's in my drink, believe that it's the best smoke. I'm talking OG Kush from the West Coast. Watch how you hit it, just one hit'll burn your chest out. For sure, you might can smoke, but you ain't smoking what we smoking on. You might can smoke, but you ain't smoking what we smoking on. Hey, you might can smoke, but you ain't smoking what we smoking on. You might can smoke, but you ain't smoking what we smoking on.
Let me turn you on and turn you out to make you feel like you really wanna feel. For real, show will, nigga, I got that kill. You know what I got. Captain Crunch, soda pie, light green kush cut from a bush. Mix it together, get it together. Hypro glow with the hydro flow. Smoking on some shit called I don't know. This is the shit that was taught for my niggas on the block. The 4-4 block, oh no. Cutting it up, butting it up. Homie, don't speak at all. You might skate, you might be most likely like shark bait. I might hate, nigga, you smoking that lightweight. Wrong class, featherweight, levitate. Set it straight, let me break